Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your iPhone's dock color on iOS 14. This does not include any jailbreak or anything like that. It's really easy to do, and I would really appreciate if you guys are interested in this kind of content, if you would consider subscribing to my channel, as I have daily videos showing you guys how to do cool mods on your phone that normally don't require a jailbreak whatsoever. Now, before we get off with this mod, you can see that I already have it on here, that my dock is currently like a red color. Now, this will change if I have dark mode or light mode enabled on my phone. So if I were to go switch the dark mode to light mode, it will then change the color of the dock again, which is pretty cool. And there is lots of options on this website I'm going to show you. But before we get into that, we have to change a couple settings first. So if I just go over to settings, it opens up settings. You're going to want to search for reduce transparency. So if you just type in reduce like I did here at the very top for settings, which is just right up here, you just can type in reduce, and then you will see reduce transparency. So you want to go over to that and make sure you have that enabled. So make sure you have that enabled there. We can then back up, and we want to go back to where we typed reduce and just go to reduce motion and make sure that is turned off. Once you guys have that done, you can go to the link I have in the description as well as in the comment section down below. Now, there's going to be two different links, one being if you have an iPhone with a notch and one being if you have an iPhone without a notch. So make sure you guys click on the right one so it shows you the right wallpapers. Now, once you guys have done that, so you can just go over to the link, then it'll bring you to this website right here. So you don't have to worry about all this Chinese lettering here. It's basically telling you to do what we just did. So you can just ignore that completely and just scroll down and you'll see there's lots of different options. Now, these black bordered ones are if you want to create your own wallpaper with a different dock color. So if you guys want to do that, you can go ahead and download those ones or add those ones to your photos. But I recommend just using the ones that they have down here. So you can see there's a couple different ones. And how you will know what color your dock will be is the bottom color. So if you guys just look through here and add any one that you would like. So let's just say if I wanted this one right here, I can go ahead and click on it. And then we want to long press on this here and click on add photos. Once we have that done, we can exit out of here, go over to photos and open that up. Once we get in here, we just have to go to the share button at the bottom left of our screens, scroll down and click on use as wallpaper. And then all we have to do at this point is make sure you have perspective zoom off. Once you have that off, you can just zoom in to make sure everything is perfect, just like that. And then you can click on set and then just home screen. Once you've done that, you can exit out of here and you will see here that you have like a reddish color dock as well as the wallpaper, which is really cool. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to change your dock's color on iOS 14 without a jailbreak. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.